Tashu for the new car? Baba new car, huh? Buy new car.
Saying you love me again, hoping you understand. I know. Makikikain or makikikusina sa may kusina ng may kusina. Char! Rice is life.
Ano ba yung ating
And adobo. What is this kind of adobo? It's chicken?
Chicken adobo.
Kala ko naman atay. Adobo. Lasang Pinoy. Siyempre, Pinay ang nagluto. Char.